Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an American Airlines flight to Google Calendar. This is a fantastic way to keep track of your travel schedule and ensure you never miss a departure time. First, open your web browser and navigate to calendar.google.com. Once the page loads, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account where you want to store your travel information, as this will help keep everything organized in one place. After signing in, you'll see your calendar interface. Look for the Create button, which is typically located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. From this menu, select Event. This action will open up a new window where you can input all the details about your flight. Now it's time to add the essential information. In the title field, type something descriptive like American Airlines flight or the specific route, such as flight to New York. This helps you quickly identify the event when you glance at your calendar. Next, you'll need to adjust the date and time to match your flight's departure. Click on the date field and select the correct day from the calendar picker, then set the time to match when you need to be at the airport or when your flight departs. For more detailed customization, click on More Options. This expands the event creation window and gives you access to additional fields that can make your calendar entry even more useful. In the location field, you can add your departure airport, arrival airport, or both. For example, you might type LAX to JFK to keep track of your journey from start to finish. Next, let's talk about notifications. This is where you can set reminders so you don't forget about your flight. Click on the notification settings and choose when you'd like to be reminded. You might want a notification the day before, a few hours before departure, or even multiple reminders to ensure you're fully prepared. In the description box, you can add your flight number. This is incredibly helpful for quick reference, especially if you need to check your flight status or share details with someone else. Simply type in your American Airlines flight number, such as EA1234, along with any other relevant information like confirmation numbers or seat assignments. Once you've filled in all these details and double-check that everything is accurate, click Save. Your American Airlines flight is now added to your Google Calendar, where you can easily access it from any device connected to your account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.